Hello student, in this video I will solve question number 4 of exercise 12.2. So in this question it has been said that find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. Okay, so we have to find a set of equation. The given points are equidistant. Okay, a point. So first let the required point be P, which coordinate is x, y, z, and which are equidistant from the given 2 points. Okay, so let the required point be P, x, z, which are equidistant from the given 2 points. This is A. Okay, coordinate is 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is a point B, whose coordinate is 3, 2, minus 1, and let this is a point P, whose coordinate is x, y, z. Okay, so these 2 points are means A and B, which are equidistant from the point P. So this means we can write distance PA equal to PB. Okay, and also the square distance means also PA square equal to PB square. Okay, so the distance between point A and P means PA is given by square root x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to the distance between PB means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Okay, now simplify by using the identity a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So x minus 1 will be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y minus 2 is y square plus 4 minus 4 y plus z square plus 9 minus 6 z, which is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x. Okay, x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y minus 2 whole square becomes y square plus 4 minus 4y plus z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1 plus 2z. Okay, so here we can clearly see x square cancel out from both the side, and also y square z square. Okay, and remaining we are left, this is minus 2x, okay, minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 plus 14 is equal to minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14. Okay, so we can also cancel 14 from both sides, and here minus 2x minus 6x. Okay, so minus 6x, here minus 4y also cancel from both the side, minus 2x minus 6x shifting left side, so we will get plus 4x. Okay, plus 4x and minus 6z plus 2z shifting on right side, so this will be 8z equal to 0. Now taking 4 as common, so this become x minus 2z equal to 0. So this implies, so we will get the required set of equation x minus 2z equal to 0. Okay, this is the required set of equation where the given 2 points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1, which are equidistant from the point P, whose coordinate is x, y, z. Okay. Okay, student. In question number 5, it has been said that find the equation of the set of point P, the sum of whose distances from a point whose coordinate is 4, 0, 0 and another point B whose coordinate is minus 4, 0, 0 is equal to 10. Okay, so let the required coordinate of point P be, first let the required coordinate of the point P is x, y, z. Okay, so it has been said that from the point P, the sum of distances is equal to 10. So this means PA plus PB is equal to 10. Okay, PA plus PB equal to 10. So now finding the distance PA plus PB. So PA is, this is x minus 0 whole square, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square plus this is x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equal to 10. Okay, so this is x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square, and this is x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square equal to 10. Now shifting this term on right side, so this become x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square equal to 10 minus x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z whole half square. Okay, this is now squaring on both sides, so this become x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square, and this become 10 square plus x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square minus 20 x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so here we can cancel x square, z square, y square, z square from both the side. Now expanding, so x minus 4 will be x square plus 4 4 just 16 and 4 2 is 8, x equal to, this is 100 plus x square plus 16 plus 4 2 is 8, x minus 20 x plus 4 whole square plus y z square. Okay, so again we can cancel out x square from both the side, and 16. Okay, so here we are left only minus 8x and shifting 8x on this side, so this is minus 16x equal to 100 minus 20 under root x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Okay, now from here shifting 100 on left side, or shifting this whole term on left side and minus 16 on right side, so this become 20 square x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square equal to 100 plus 16, 100 plus 16x. Now taking 4 as a common, so 4 5 is 20 square root x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus square equal to 4 to 8, 4 5 20 plus 4 16x. Now squaring both sides. This is 25 x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square, and this is 625 square 25 and 4 4 just 16x square plus 100 200x. So this is 25 x square plus 16 plus 4 to the 8 x plus y square plus z square equal to 16x square plus 200x minus 600 minus 625. Now multiply. So this is 25 x square plus 25 into 16, 25 into 16, 16 400. This is 400 plus 25 into 8. So this is 200 x plus 25 y square plus 25 z square equal to 16 x square plus 200x minus 625. So yes, 25x square minus x square. Okay. Now multiply 25 in all the entire term. So this becomes 25x square plus 25 into 16, 400 plus 200x plus 25 y square plus 25 z square equal to 16 x square plus 200 plus 625. Okay. So 25x square minus 16 9x square plus 25 y square plus 25 z square (400 minus 625). So this is minus 225. Okay. 225 equal to 0. So this is the required set. This is the equation of the set of required set of the point P, that is 9x square plus 25 y square plus 25 z square minus 225 equal to 0.